Here we have Benchmade's upgraded full-size Griptilian. This is the 551-1. This one is made in CPM 20 CV. Comes standard with a deep carry pocket clip, gray G10 and blue G10 liners with some beautiful spacers. If you've seen the regular Griptilians, they don't have the spacers. They have a full integral back like that, so it's cool that you get to open it up, you get to see the mechanism more. This is a ambidextrous pocket clip, so it can be flipped to the other side for left-hand carry. As with most Benchmades, it is fully ambidextrous, so this axis lock works both left and right-handed. And this is the 551 style, so this is the drop point with the thumb stud. It has nice finger jimping up here for texture and under here just to increase that grip. The full-size Griptilian, I would put this as a large size knife, and in my extra large hand, it fully fills it. Excuse me. It's nice and girthy. It means it doesn't carry quite as well as like a bug out that is significantly slimmer, but for hard use when you're really going to be using it a lot, that extra girth you get in the handle is really comfortable for long use knives. Great looking knife. I really love the blue and the gray. They did a great job with these upgraded versions of the Griptilians. If you like the look of it, take a look at our website for the current pricing and all of the sizing information. Thanks for watching.